Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I feel like it has been so long since I have filmed, but today we are in full prep mode for our annual pumpkin carving gathering. We have so much to do, so we want to go get some flowers, we need to go get pumpkins, we need to get the house together, go through our inventory of the stuff that we already have, because I've been gathering things since like 3 years ago that we started this little tradition. So super excited to be doing it. It's gonna be so cute and so fun. And just in case you guys don't know, every year we do an annual pumpkin carving gathering contest. So our family comes over, we buy the pumpkins and the carving tools, and they just go to town on their pumpkins, and then you guys on my stories end up picking the winner every year. This year we decided to go different, and they can bring in whatever they feel is going to enhance their pumpkin. So they can bring in paint, they can bring in stickers, they can bring in whatever they want to add to it. We're going to provide the pumpkin and just basic carving tools, and they can get creative and bring whatever they want. So it is literally prep time. The event is on Sunday, so I'm just kind of trying to check things off the list so that I'm not doing a bunch of stuff that day. But first things first, we gotta feed the tummy. I just had a work meeting, that's done. So now we're gonna go, I'm craving paninis, so I'm like craving steak and like a salad. So we're gonna go to Panini and get some food, so let's go. Okay, so I do wanna go to Home Depot to get some mums and check out the pumpkins that they have, because I wanna create something here. Maybe like, yeah, this side. And then putting some here and maybe some here, I don't know. We'll see, but this whole little area I kinda wanna decorate because the pumpkin carving is gonna be outside. To Home Depot, you guys, and it's not giving what I needed to give. Like, I want this size. You see how big they are, but I don't want them mixed. Like, I just want one type of flower, like this darker tone. I mean, this one's not that bad, but it has purple. Like, why is there purple in here? Why can't I just have that look? And we checked the whole area. They also have these over here, which can be pretty. But I feel like this has too much green, and I don't like that. We didn't find plants, but we are taking some planters. We're gonna go to another Home Depot or a different nursery. We're gonna be taking that, and then we're taking this for our shady lady because we need something for that. Two, and then pumpkins. I found this one, which I like, and this one is made out of clay. That one is plastic, and they're literally the same price. So I think we're gonna take 2 clay. Disregard, we're going with the plastic ones because this looks too bright white and they're all chipped. So we're just gonna go with plastic. It has been a few hours since our Home Depot trip, but we went home, got ready, and now we are on our way to a trip.
On a trip.
You guys, we're so tired. Like, Dennis and I are hanging on by a thread. It's been a week, okay? It's been a week, but
it's been tired before. Like right when we started decluttering to move the floors.
That's true. We have been. That's true. I didn't think about that. It has been hectic since we did the floors because every single day we were doing something, moving things around, decluttering, organizing, and then we had our trip. I think we went to New York. I mean, we went to Vegas. Then we went to New York.
That threw us off too.
So it's just been a lot, and then come home, and then just life things happen, and so.
And then my dad's in town too.
Yeah, Dennis's dad is in town staying with us. So it's been It's been busy and it's been a lot. But we decided to go, I said on a trip, but we're going to an event with Ulla Henriksen and Annie Bing collab that they did. She's a fashion designer and Ulla is obviously a skincare brand. They did a collab together with a new lip product. So we're going to that, and that's in Melrose. And then Smashbox is having an event as well. They're both at the same time. So I'm not sure if we're gonna make it to Smashbox. We will try, but this event is literally in West Hollywood and Smashbox is in Culver City. So, and it's also Thursday, so trafficking.
Oh, and like traffic before the game.
Yeah, and then tomorrow is the first game of the World Series with Dodgers and Yankees. So LA is gonna be crazy tomorrow. We need some cafecito. We were gonna stop at Alfred's, but it closes early, so couldn't do that. Welcome back to the vlog. We woke up early today because we need to do a Costco run. So we're gonna go pick up some essentials that we want to go do at Costco, and obviously browse too and see if there's anything we need for our gathering on Sundays. Let's go to Costco. We made it to Costco. Why is my child looking at?
It's our charger.
He's looking at toys. You guys, all the Christmas stuff is out. It is Christmas at Costco, and all the toys too. They have so many. Like, look at these Lego ones. Oh ho ho ho. Mango passion fruit. This is gonna be fire. Which one's that one? Ooh, I don't like cherry, but mango passion fruit, that just sounds like something I would love. Okay, we found cute pumpkins for the porch. We also found these marigolds. Look how pretty they are, and they're only $14.99. So we're taking those and taking a few pumpkins to decorate the porch. This is a pretty color, right? All right, wait, I'm gonna do that one, and then I want one that's fun. What about these white ones? We're trying to figure out how they're gonna be set up.
Okay, here, I'll help you.
I'm just trying to figure out, like that, right? Like, and then maybe do another one up here, like a small green one.
Yeah. Cute. Oh, that was cool. That one's actually really cool.
Cute. Okay. So then maybe we switch this one. This one doesn't even have a stem.
Like this one?
No, because it's the bottom one is
okay.
green. We'll just take this one then. It's the only small orange one. Okay, and then they have these giant ones.
So we're still here. We're still going at it. We got other items in there, but look at what Olive found.
You guys, I'm so excited. So we got this for the boys last year, and they loved it. It is an advent calendar for dogs. And we got it for them, and they knew the moment we grabbed this calendar, they knew they were gonna get something. So it has toys, treats, so we're taking it before they sell out. If you have fur babies, highly recommend. Picked up some chips. Look at these big bags, you guys, $5. $5.
Dude, you should look at the price of the house.
Yeah, that's crazy. And then obviously the Kirkland tortilla chips, can never go wrong with those. Oh, I also grabbed these. I just think these are gonna be cute with coffee. Like, they sound delicious, French butter cookies. So I'll put them out in the coffee station. When my sister gifted me these Birkenstocks, I never thought I was gonna get so much use out of them. I have worn them so much. Like, I literally wore them all throughout New York, obviously. But here, I feel like they elevate any simple outfit, and then obviously the bag, so cute. First, I picked these up, handcrafted artisanal meat and mozzarella cheese rolls. So there's 3 different types of meat. There's prosciutto, sorpresata, and prosciutto. So 2 prosciuttos and sorpresata. Okay, and then I also grabbed this, which is a provolone and salami. So I'm gonna take these out of the package and I'm gonna put them on our charcuterie board. Obviously some liquid IV. I got the mango and passion fruit, which sounds delicious and like right up my alley. I got these little balls of mozzarella. I'm gonna take them out, put them in a little bowl, or like lay them out. And I thought with like some balsamic glaze, put like little eyes on them and make them look like little ghosts. That would be cute. And then pick these up. They're the French butter cookies. This would be for coffee. Dennis picked up some protein bars, and then this is the prosciutto. I just got my packages from Amazon. My things are slowly coming in. First, I got this little cookie cutter set because I want to cut the cheese for the charcuterie board into cute shapes. They're so cute. So it comes with a little pumpkin. It doesn't come with a ghost, I just realized. Oh wait, yes it does. The ghost is right here. Look at this. Little ghosty, and then a little pumpkin. See that? So cute. So I got a cookie cutter and a little bat and a cat. Oh look, this is the shape of them so you guys can see them better. I think it was like $7.99. And then I also got some witch hats. These are actually I should make everybody, all the girls wear a witch hat. No, but I bought these so that I can hang them. So just like imagine them hanging with a string. So I'm gonna hang them in like the dining room, maybe, probably not in the kitchen, but in the dining room and the entryway. I think it's gonna look so cute. Figure out how to work with those. Got my cute little cookie cutters. So excited about. We'll wash them and then use them for Sunday. It is the next day. Yesterday was so crazy. I ended up not vlogging after Costco. So we came back, obviously, as you guys have from Costco, and then my family came over and we watched game 1 of the World Series, Dodgers versus Yankees. What an epic game. It was so good. I cannot believe it. Like, it was bottom of the 10th, Yankees up by 1, bases loaded, 2 outs, and Freddie Freeman is about to bat. And we're just like, all we're hoping for, like at that time when we're watching the game, it's like, just get us 1 point so we could like move on to the 11th inning, because then at that point we're gonna tie. Hits a grand slam and Dodgers win. Sickest game I've ever watched in baseball. I can't imagine the energy at like actual stadium. Like so sick. There's a game today. I already told my family to come over if they wanted to, but we do have quite a few things to do today because tomorrow is our pumpkin carving day. And we're actually gonna go to Trader Joe's right now, which is why I turned on the camera so you guys can come with us. But we just finished having like a little breakfast. We had our bagel that we love from the cafe in Woodland Hills and a little scoop of tuna. It's like our little breakfast bagel, or like a little breakfast that Dennis and I like to have. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's, go pick up our pumpkins. I actually have to make a list because I'm gonna do a charcuterie board, so I'll do that right now. My sister sent me this really cute charcuterie board idea with like a little skeleton. Let me grab a piece of paper so that I can write, so I can write my list. Everything I need. I obviously already picked up, am I recording? Yes. I obviously already picked up a few things at Costco, so I don't need any prosciutto. I need mainly kiwi berries, almonds, cheddar. Not a lot of people like cheddar cheese or put small pickles. I know they're called something else, but just put small pickles, persimmon, olives, grapes. And then I'm gonna do the spicy jam. I don't know if you guys have ever had the spicy jam from Trader Joe's, but it is so yummy. And then I'll see what else I get. Okay, so that's the plan. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's, pick up our pumpkins, grab everything I need for, oh, I need crackers. Crackers. Oh, wine. What else do we need from Trader Joe's? I'm trying to write a list.
Isn't it just the
pumpkins, and then I need the stuff for the charcuterie board, and then crackers for the charcuterie board, wine. Can you think of anything else? Dessert?
You bought all the meats. Oh, you have pastries?
Chicken, we have to order.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna order a grilled chicken. No, is that considered grilled chicken, babe? Like pollo a la brasa. Wait, this camera just fell out of my hand and the battery flew out, the SD card flew out. I thought it was broken. She's okay. You're okay. All right, so we ended up not going to Trader Joe's. It is literally like so many hours later. We're now at Target scrambling because I don't think we have enough pumpkin carving kits. So now I just went to Plates to Walmart and they didn't have any. So I'm a little stressed. Should I get these or should I get like the ones that I normally get? I need plates as well. Oh my gosh, I think I spotted them, you guys. I spotted them. Oh god, these are tiny. What is this little guy? This looks like something we're gonna use. Okay, I'm gonna take this. This is like the only, these are too small, no? Or do you think they're still? Hopefully, this is like a little carving power tool. So I think this is gonna be good. So I'm taking both of these. It looks like that's all they have. And then they have these little sets. $10. Yeah. Okay, this is where we're at. We got 2 power tools, which I think these are gonna be good. Dennis grabbed a bunch of other ones. He's at another Target. We're multitasking. He's at one Target. I went to Walmart. Now I'm at Target. I'm also taking these plates for the food, and then we're taking which one, sister? I'm trying to decide for this one or this one for the cake. Actually, I think I have plates. Oh, I have little ghost ones, small ones. Oh yeah. Okay, we don't need plates. Vámonos, my amigos. What do I need? Oh, this is what I need.
The plates.
What else? Oh yeah, the plates. And then I was thinking of getting some candy. I bought Reese's, but I feel like maybe another type of candy. Where are the candies, Sebastian? Yes. There's Skittles gummies. That doesn't sound very good. I don't see anything good though. Ooh, what about these? Do people like these? Whoa, shit. No? I like Dum-Dums. Oh yeah, he grabbed some. He ordered cronuts. One thing I always like to do is look at the book section at Target. I am so tempted to get a book, you guys. I miss it so much. Like, obviously I've been reading on my Kindle, but it is just not the same. It just does not hit the same, and I miss holding a book, flipping through the pages. This series is so cute. The Dreamland Billionaires, I've read 3 out of the 4, either 3 out of the 4 or 2 out of the 3. And I've read so many of the books on this shelf. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to a hard, or like a paperback. ¡Wow! ¡Qué bonita!